Welcome friends, welcome to the 6th episode of Reflective Pedagogy. In this episode we are discussing on what are the features of reflective pedagogy. So what are the main points in which the reflective pedagogy we need to take care. The first one is this is cyclical process, this is not linear process. The reflective pedagogy is a cyclical process, it is not linear. So it is not like constantly something I am teaching or doing my process or practices. It should not be a constant one, it should not be a routine one. It is a cyclical process wherein we have to experience and then we have to analyze and then action. So this is the cyclical process. So when you get experience, let's suppose you taught a particular subject in a classroom, you get some experience. So whether something might have gone wrong, something might have better and all that, and after that you analyze that, and after analysis you have to take some action to improve your process. Then again it will lead to experience. It is not linear, it will not go straight like this. It is a cyclical process in which continuously we keep on doing this reflection. Till what time? Till we retire, or till our teacher is always a teacher, no? So always a teacher should be able to reflect his or her abilities, teaching practices, and need to improve his teaching processes and practices. This is the first one. It is cyclical and not linear. Second one is teacher, this reflection should have multiple lenses. This means that as a teacher, I need to reflect. I am the one, I will reflect myself, how was my teaching. And second one, we may ask our students to give opinions. How was my class? Most of the times we may not do this. We can actually ask our students, please tell me which is the one aspect you liked the most, or which is learnt better, and which is the one in which you are still having confusion. So this is the students. One lens is self lens, another lens is students lens, and third one is colleagues lens. We can ask our colleagues to give feedback on our teaching. So this is the one. Fourth one is maybe we can have we can community also. We can ask for feedback. Community also. If you are very open, maybe these three is good. But if you are very open, then the community also you can ask for it. And the fifth one is research. So if you have done all the things, all the strategies in which you are undertaken all the strategies and activities to improve your teaching processes or your interaction with the teachers, students, or with parents, still if anything is not improved, you have to go for research. You have to use this lens. So these are the 4 lenses or 5 lenses. Community, you may use it or you may not use it, but still I recommend you please use community also if you want to improve. And these are the 5 lenses in which you can use. Then third one is focus on why. So most of the times we only focus on what happened. We need to analyze, and also we need to challenge our beliefs. We need to challenge. So reflection will be beneficial when we challenge our beliefs, when we challenge our practices. When I am very open to criticisms, when I am very open to the suggestions, when I am very open to my assumptions, then I am very, very open-minded in which I am having all the possibilities to grow as a professional teacher. So this focus on why. So that is most important. To focus on why, you need to do analysis. You have to analyze what went wrong, what went good, and all that. That is the most important one. The fourth one is promotes action oriented change. So this is most important. Action oriented change is most important one. So all the reflection is for change, is for action. Maybe you may reflected yourself, or you might have taken the suggestion of students, or you might have taken the suggestions or feedback of colleagues, or community, or research. The sole reason is for action. Any suggestion, any feedback, if it is not actually acted upon that, if you haven't acted upon that feedback or suggestion, that feedback was not useful. So action oriented change, we need to change our teaching, and then our beliefs, and then our attitudes, and then our behaviors because of this reflections. So friends, these are the four main important features in which our reflective pedagogy we should reflect on all these aspects. So please, if you haven't seen the previous episodes, please see and encourage me. Look for another 2 episodes. Thank you so much.